Hello friends, welcome to part 77 of Laravel 12 multi-man e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the product detail page, and in this part we are going to work on breadcrumbs and product images zoom. So these two features, these important two features of e-commerce website, we are going to do in this part. First, we are going to work on the dynamic breadcrumbs like we have done for the categories pages. Now we are going to do for the product detail page. Here we are going to display the home link, and after that the category link, and after that the product name. Okay. So category link may be the main category as well as the subcategory link will come up here. So after that we are going to work on the product images zoom. We are going to add some simple zoom for displaying the product image in a zoom way, okay, so that we can able to zoom that product image. So let's start. So first of all, we are going to work on the dynamic breadcrumbs. Here I'm going to show you that this is the breadcrumb. We are going to make it dynamic. Right now it is static, okay. So here in the listing pages as well, you can see that we have the breadcrumb here, okay. You can see the men t-shirts, home and men t-shirts, okay. Here you can see the breadcrumb, proper breadcrumb here, home, men and men t-shirts, okay. If I will open the main category, then you can see there is the home clothing men. If I will open the clothing category, then you can see only the home and clothing, okay. So this breadcrumb depends upon which listing page you open. In the same way, we are going to work on the product detail page breadcrumb. First we are going to display here like this product comes under which category, okay. So we are going to display that category. After that we are going to display the product name. So let's start working on this. And for this, we are going to create one function, get product detail by URL function. We are going to create in the product service that will fetch the category as well as the parent category, and will also fetch the product images. Okay. And we are going to fetch these both with the product URL. In the last part, I have shown you that we have created this dynamic product URL. Okay. So I hope you able to done that part. Okay. So now with this URL, we are going to fetch the category, parent category, as well as the product images. So I'm going to create this function in the product service. Make sure that the product service of the front. So here we are going to create this function here, get product detail by URL. Now this function we are going to call under detail function that we have created earlier, okay. Detail function, here we are going to call this function, okay. So I'm going to modify this detail function. Right now we are not calling any function, we are doing everything in the detail function. Now we are going to call the detail that get product detail by URL function here in the detail function, okay. So we will call from the product service like this. So after this, now we are going to display the breadcrumb. I'm going to open the detail blade file, and here we are going to replace this div with this one, so that we can able to display the breadcrumb. We are going to align it as well. Okay, first we are going to display the parent category, then the category, and then the product name, and earlier home as well. I'm going to check here. Here you can see the breadcrumbs. First the home, then men, that is the parent category, then the subcategory, and after that the product name, blue t-shirt, and this product name we will also display here at the top in bold, so that the user will come to know that which product it is. Okay, blue t-shirt. Okay, so like this we have generated the breadcrumb for this product. Now we are going to work on the zoom feature, but first of all we are going to display here the product images, product alternate images. First we are going to display the product main image, and after that the alternate images. we are going to check whether the main image exists. Okay, if the main image exists, first we are going to show the main image of the product, and after that the alternate images of the product. So for that, we are going to update here. We are already getting the product images, okay, by the function that we have created. So we are going to display those product images. First we are going to display the main image, and after that the other images. Okay, so we are going to display them in the for each loop. So we're going to update this product carousel div. This one we are going to update here. Okay, product carousel. Fine. Lengths. We are going to align the code. Okay. So now we are going to check here. The product images must come dynamically, and see there is no product image so far. We are going to add one image from the admin panel, so that we will also check the zoom for it. So here we are going to add few of the images, one main image and also the alternate images. Okay, I'm going to check if I am having. Yes, want to add this one, the main image. Okay, and this one as for alternate image. I am only having one image, two images. So submit. So it's done. Now we are going to check here. Here you can see the image is now coming, and here, okay, alternate image is also coming. Okay, so here make sure that you will upload the image of the same site. Okay, here the images are not of the same site, so that's why it is coming like this. Arrow is just coming upward because the images are of not of the same site. Okay, so now for the zoom, we will add the zoom script. Here we are going to integrate the elevate zoom. Okay, so this script we are required to add in our scriptlet file. So simply we are going to add this zoom in the front. We are going to add this script, and we are going to align it. See, we are already using here. You can see the data zoom image that is necessary to add. Okay, so the same source image we will add in data zoom image, and now the zoom must work. Let's see. So, yeah, so here, let's it once. Zoom is not coming. Check here. So we are going to check why the zoom is not working. I'm going to check the script that we have added. The script, this one we have added. This class we have used the zoom hyphen image to elevate the zoom. Okay, and here in the detail bit file, I think the wrong class we have used. Maybe here the class may be zoom hyphen image. Okay, I'm going to refresh now. And yes, now the zoom is working fine. You can see like we can able to zoom the image. Okay, once see it is zoom image it comes. Okay, so here in both the images you can see that we can able to see the image in a zoom. Okay, once we will use this mirror. Okay, so I hope that you can able to do this as well. And also I'm going to update the zoom here. And also here I'm going to update here the that we have added this one. uh, Sorry, here we have added zoom image. Okay, instead of zoom we have used that zoom hyphen image class. Okay, and also I'm going to check that whether we require these two scripts or just we require that one is already there. I'm going to remove this one and we'll see whether it will work. No, no, we require that one as well. Initialize the zoom. But here remove all zoom container and okay, fine, it is. So we can use this one, this script. Okay, like this. Okay, so I hope that you can able to do this at your end as well. And if you will find any trouble, you can surely able to contact me. Okay, so uh, I hope the all these 2 points are done now. Okay, you can try this one at your end and make sure to subscribe the Stack Developer YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.